What's up, traders? James Bruce here, back for another daily review. But before we get into it, this review is sponsored by Hydro Funding. Links down below. You can check them out in my bio as well. Right, let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, yesterday, Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, $1,400 on the day across all my accounts. It's been a good start to October after a poor down month in September. So I'm really stoked about that. I think keys for me right now is just toning down on the risk, easing back into it, and letting the good trades come to me. We haven't had really much follow through. Really, I've been focusing on the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the New York session, as well as the DAX, and that's been my focus right now. Letting good trades come to me, building into my positions. So yesterday, trading the Dow longs. Right, as you can see, the Dow longs, we actually didn't break through yesterday's lows, and we got above the previous day's VWAP on the open and above the 200 EMA, which is this white one coming across the line, screen here. The white line coming across the screen on the 50-minute chart. This is the 200 EMA based on the 50-minute chart, although we are looking at the 5-minute time frame over here. Right, so bulls were in control. We didn't take out the low of day. We tried to on this opening bar here on the open, on the US Open. We tried to come back down and take out these lows. What kept me, on the long bias, right, was pretty simple. We didn't take our previous day's lows. Those stats with HFL that I do speak about. And we had been making higher lows all session. The 5-minute time frame order flow was bullish. I'm really seeing these longs in play here. So stop loss below low of day here, and we get out. And I did take this live on stream on ASFX TV. So if you want to watch me trade live today, ASFX TV, link in my bio as well. We took this trade live on stream. So holding this bullish order flow here, making higher lows, and I actually added in, as you can see. So building into my positions was really solid. We had some massive moves on GJ as well, but we can go over GJ and NASDAQ. So GJ, just some massive moves. I wanted to take some of these longs, but so the currency pairs have been moving pretty heavily. I've been watching them in the back end, even though obviously I'm mainly trading the indexes in the New York session. I have been watching them as well. So if we just come to the NASDAQ, also again, look at NASDAQ. We don't take our previous day's lows. We get above here, and I know some of the guys in our mentorship did take this longer, as well as Austin and them on stream. So just a solid day yesterday. Stayed patient, picked my spots well in the markets, and position sizing and risk management. Knowing when to be big, small, and not at all. Right, lesson of the day, one day at a time and managing risk. This is a quote by Anthony Crudele, which I think is obviously great. Trading can provide you with everything you desire and more. If you're willing to set your ego aside, put in the work, and give yourself time. If you seek quick results, set expectations too high, and can't accept losses, the market will deplete all your funds and then some. So knowing that, I love Crudele, and he keeps it real all the time. Just taking it one day at a time, keeping it simple, and building into my positions on days that are, not super trendy. Just picking my spots well in the market. So that was my daily review from yesterday. The Dow longs, this is a trade that I did take here. Didn't take our previous day's lows. Bullish order flow came in after the open, and I played the longs. Have a good one, guys. Keep it simple and take it one day at a time. Manage risk.